Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. This also coordinates with the Shots of Life, so if you're looking for more product for your Flavors of the Month, you can get pattern paper and embellishments there, or if you're doing pocket page scrapbooking, then you can add one of these add-ons or all 3 to your Shots of Life. There will be links at the end so you can see all of the kits available. So we have the cardstock add-on, pattern paper add-on, and embellishment add-on. This gives you a lot more product to go with your kits to make them even bigger and better, and you can just have a lot of fun. So we're going to dig in. We're going to start looking at all of the paper first. First, we're going to look at the cardstock add-on. And with the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is perfect if you want to do double page layouts and use those as your backgrounds. And none of these will be what's in their Flavors of the Month. These are different colors. So starting off with Cartabella Letters to Santa, you'll get 2 sheets of peach cream and 1 sheet of olive. For the Pink Fresh Happy Holidays, you're going to get 2 sheets of Emperor Green, so this great holly green, and 1 sheet of Rain. For the Simple Stories Mix and Mingle, you're going to get 2 sheets of Hibiscus and 1 sheet of Robin's Egg Blue. And then Vicki Bouton's Evergreen and Holly, you're going to get 2 sheets of Ruby Red and 1 sheet of Silver Sage. Next is your pattern paper add-on, and with your patterned paper add-on you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So this is a great way to add even more patterned paper. None of these will be duplicates. These are all new pattern papers. So from Cartabella Letters to Santa is this beautiful floral on the black background, and the background is a wood grain, and I think this should just be a crime to put a beautiful floral on the back of a wood grain. This paper is called Holiday Arrangement. This paper has all of the postage stamps with the different icons you'll see throughout this collection. The back is a green and white plaid. This paper is called Mail To. For the Happy Holidays Pink Fresh collection, we have this paper called Happy Holidays, and it's an evergreen diagonal striped with the red berries. The back is candy canes on red. This paper called Deck the Halls, which has all of the vintage, kind of the glass ornaments, and the back is a yellow, gold, and white plaid. Bright and cheery. For Simple Stories Mix and Mingle, it's Christmas time as this paper, and it's a beautiful ledger in that aqua with the poinsettias in the corner down here. Love that. The back is more poinsettias with pink berries on kind of that turquoisey green. The other paper is the 4x6 Elements, so we have some vertical and horizontal ones here. We have the scene of the living room with the tree. All is calm, all is bright. Oh, what fun. Some really pretty cards there. The back is a tone-on-tone green plaid. Then Vicki Bouton's Evergreen and Holly. We have this paper called Holiday Cheer, which is all the words in the different colors separated by little blue snowflakes. The back is a text print. That's the song Figgy Pudding, which is super fun. Snowflakes and distressing on the outside. A full branding strip of little bells. This paper is called Season of Wonder, and it's the holly and the berries. And the back is all of these awesome envelopes. So you could cut these out and use for embellishments around. You could also take like an X-Acto knife and cut right here so that you could put journaling in between. Just pop it up with some pop dots maybe on the bottom 3 so it'll stand up a little bit. That'd be super cute. You could also create a whole page with these so that it could just be all journaling, maybe not even any photos. The branding strip is holly leaves and berries on that light green. So one more look at all of the patterned paper in your patterned paper add-on. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. The final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. This is always a lot of fun, so you're going to get even more embellishments to play with. And this month you have an extra bonus, so stay tuned for that. So from Cartabella Letters to Santa, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I always love these because it gives you so many options. So we have little tags and bigger ones, envelopes addressed to Santa Claus and Emmy Elf, a little snow globe, a mailbox. I love the little boy and girl elf down here. More of those postage stamps. Just a couple of little embellishments there. For Pink Fresh Happy Holidays, you're going to get half a pack of the frames. So these are chipboard frames. So there's lots. There's like 4 in each one of those. So that gives you a lot of options to play with. From the Simple Stories Mix and Mingle, you're going to get a half a pack of the ephemera. So you can see it is just jam-packed. I love all the icons in this because there's so many little home items, so you can create little scenes, which is always a lot of fun to do on Christmas pages down at the bottom. Lots of little sprinkles. And then for Vicki Bouton's Evergreen and Holly, you're going to get one of the puffy stickers. So these are the puffy phrases. So you have little words to use for titles as well as snowflakes and little bits and bobs to tuck in there. So that's a lot of fun. And for your bonus, for the Simple Stories Mix and Mingle, you're going to get a 1/4 a pack of the foam stickers. So these will vary. Actually, all of these will vary except for the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. But you'll get a 1/4 a pack of these. This is the one that I got. So this is a little just Christmas bonus, a Merry Christmas from the Scrap Room to you. So I hope you enjoy that. One more look at your 3 add-on kits available. Be sure to check out all the other kits. There will be links here at the end. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog. Join in some challenges. We give away prizes. We have a lot of fun, and there is a ton of inspiration over there. So all of us at the Scrap Room want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.